What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It is your girl, Nancy Fancy, Farmer Nancy, and I'm live. So, you guys, I'm here in my front yard garden patch, and I want to show you guys the onions. Let us count the onions. One of my favorite things I think about farming is definitely growing from seed. It's not easy to grow from seed, but we definitely grew these onions from seed. It's probably about 25, maybe 30 onions per pot, so that's a lot of onions. To be honest with y'all, I just kind of lightly cast the onion seeds here on the surface of my pots, and then I just kind of barely covered them with a soil mix that I do make myself. And then from there, I keep them watered and I keep them out in the sun. I don't really grow things inside of a greenhouse. A lot of my trays that I seed, and I'm gonna seed these with you guys probably in another video that I'll be posting. Oh, look at that. It's just a little baby radish. Excuse my nails, but it's just a little baby radish. But yeah, so I don't really grow things inside of my greenhouse right now. I do a lot of just outdoor seeding, and then I take the seeded trays that me and the kids seed here at home over to the farm. These are yellow short day onions that we seeded. They're about 100 days to maturity. I seeded them about 2 weeks ago, 15 days ago. So these onions actually really won't be ready until the springtime, and those are, check out that. They still have the little seed casings. They still have the little seed casings on them. You just kind of pull those off because it weighs them down a little bit. But yeah, y'all, so this is our seeded onion bed right now. And once these start to grow and they start to develop a little bulb, I'll take them over to the farm, and then I'll actually transplant them into our farm beds. Of course, I'm gonna keep trying to share. 2020 is the year of the farmer share. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time. It's your girl, Nancy Farm Fancy. I'm out of there.